Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type text on a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment box, comment menu, and here you will find many comment box, note comment, text box comment, call out comments, and this highlight comments, underline comments. I'll insert this note comments. As it is, note comment is sticky note showing here. Double click on this note comment. As it is, note comment dialog box now showing here. And here you can type your text or paste text, and you can increase decrease this note comment size. And see this. Also you can see this text size. I'll make it 14 and see this, and type new text and so on. And you can see this text font color, font size, font style, make it bold, italic, underline, and so on as you like. And see this, and click on this note comment and see this text. In this way you can type text on a comment box. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.